recent state of the application that I told you we are building. Right now, I am done with the project. I'm done with the project, and it is live on GitHub. Right, it is currently in private, stored as a private repository. But for the for 1 week, in the next 1 week, I am going to be leaving it as a public repository for the next 1 week. So if you are lucky and you come across this video, you can actually take the opportunity to clone the repository. Let me show you what we have. So this is the dashboard, the user dashboard. Right here, you will see the account balance, which is the main balance, and we also have the trading wallet, which also have its balance. Now, for this trading wallet, you can actually move money from the trading wallet to the main balance, right? So from here now, I can say I want to move $200, and this will automatically be added, as you can see right here. It will be added to the main balance, and it has been deducted right from here. And if you look at the recent activities, you would see that $200 was transferred from the trading wallet, and you will see the date it was made, right? So you can also make deposits from here, and from this deposit you can actually pick any wallet you want to deposit from. So either you deposit from Bitcoin, or you deposit from Ethereum, or you deposit from USDT. So from Ethereum, so once you click on any of these, you would notice that it automatically changes the wallet and the network address right here. All right, so you can actually scan this QR scan, or you can just click here to copy the wallet address. Okay, so you can add you can put the amount you want to deposit. So let's say I want to deposit 100, and I come here and select I've made. So you have to basically send the exact amount. You will see the warning right here, and you make this deposit, and it has been made, and you can see it is still pending. And from the admin now, I can simply, if I refresh this admin, you would see that somebody has made a deposit, and we are seeing one pending deposit. And you can simply look for that under the deposits. So if you go to deposits, you will see the pending deposit, and you can actually either approve or reject. So if you click on approve, this transaction will complete. And if you come back to the user account, you will see the $100 was added, and it has topped up on the main balance. Okay, coming down to the investment plans. So this is the investment plans we have already, and user can actually click on invest, and it will take them here where they select the source they want to make the investment from, either from the main balance, or they would actually click on any of the wallet available to transact this, to complete the transaction. If you come down here, you will see the active investment. So this person has an active investment that is still running, and right here you will see the active project. So users can actually invest in a project to gain some return on investment. Okay, so another thing that we have here is shares. So if you come to the shares, you would see that currently we have shares, and this is a share, and this particular share is Takeout Real share, and it has the current price for each share here right here is $217. And if this person has to invest in this share, let's say they want to buy a share of 2,000, right now you will see the total share that the total unit share they will be getting from this, and their balance is not up to $2,000, which means you have to do this transaction either through an external wallet. So let's select this, and it takes us to make this transaction. And once we've made this transaction, we can simply click on I've sent this money, and this is going to be awaiting confirmation. Now if the admin goes back to the admin interface, they would see that there is a pending transaction which they can approve, and once they approve this transaction, if you refresh this, you will notice that this transaction has taken place. And if you come down, you are going to see my shares and bond. So right here, this person has a share, and the gain currently is in negative value, which means that if they sell this share, they are going to make some loss. So they have to wait for the shares price to increase or appreciate. So let's say the admin wants to increase the shares price, they can simply go to the assets. Let's say we want to say that this share has risen by, let's say, around 90%, that's around 400, and save. So this share has appreciated. If this person refreshes this, you will see this has appreciated. Now this person bought a share of 2,000, worth of 2,000, and they have made a profit of 1,800 plus, and this is the total income they have made. Okay, so they can actually sell this share, and once they sell this share, it is going to be added to their trading wallet. As you can see here, it has been added right here, and this person can actually withdraw this money, or maybe leave it or use it to do on other transactions, right? So this is what we have. We also have the withdrawal, where they can make withdrawal, but all withdrawals are made from the main balance, right? So you come here, put the amount you want to withdraw, the wallet you want to withdraw from, and click on the withdrawal. The admin, once the admin approves this withdrawal, you are going to see your money. You receive your money in your wallet. This is the investment plans, where we have all the plans available, so user can actually see the details of each of the investment plan, as well as see the available projects we have, even though they are found inside the dashboard. We also have the transaction history page, where you will see all the user transactions. So, and this website is very responsive, which means it is both responsive on both mobile devices and desktop. So right here, you can click and see shares and bond, investment plans, project funding, and all that. So we have done a lot of projects here. If you are among the first people to see this video, that means you'll be lucky, because I'll be leaving it as a public repository for the next 1 week. So make sure you watch this video, subscribe, and like the video for more. I'll see you in the next one.